the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content, you guys, on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into this video. It is Thursday, March 18th, after hours. I want to talk about Castor Maritime, ticker symbol CTRM, currently sitting below $1 at 94 cents at the time of this video. Now, a lot of people wanted me to make a video on Castor Maritime, specifically talking about this article from investorplace.com when they talk about another run for $2 is possible for Castor Maritime stock. As Castor Maritime's fleet grows, so should your price target for CTRM. Now, before I get into the article, I wanted to give my kind of opinion on CTRM. I've made many videos in the past about CTRM and remain bullish on CTRM. I do think they are in an industry that is very, very important, and an industry that initially after the pandemic hit was down. A lot of people were down on the shipping industry, but has since absolutely gone crazy. So let's just first look at some shipping facts, you guys. So the Maritime Industry Knowledge Center here. The international shipping industry is responsible for the carriage of around 90% of world trade. Shipping is the lifeblood of the global economy. Without shipping, intercontinental trade, the bulk transport of raw materials, and the import and export of affordable food and manufactured goods would simply not be possible. Okay? Shipping is the safest and most environmentally form of commercial transport, and perhaps uniquely amongst industries involving physical risk. Commitment to safety has long pervaded virtually all deep sea shipping operations. So many positives related to shipping, I guess, over the water. And if we take a look at the Baltic Exchange Index, this is pretty much the pricing index for shipping companies. And as you can see here, the Baltic Dry Index climbed 5.2% to 2,215 on Thursday, a peak since September of 2019, and extending gains for a fourth session. The Panamax Index, which measures coal or grain cargoes, surged 9.3% to its highest since September of 2010. 2010, you guys. That's how high the Baltic Dry Index is currently, and that's specifically coal and grain cargoes. The Panamax, those were specifically the types of vessels and transports that Castor Maritime is involved in, you guys. It's literally, that is exactly what they do. And like this article said, or this website, Trading Economics, says, the Baltic Dry Exchange Dry Index, extending gains for the fourth straight session, you guys, hits a peak since September 2019. So as I said earlier, the niche in the market in the industry of dry bulk shipping, maritime shipping, is a huge potential, I guess, a very big niche and a very positive niche for CTRM to be in. And if we take a look at some of these press releases related to Castor Maritime, you can see that since the beginning of the year, they've just been acquiring vessels, right? January 20th, a new vessel. February 1st, new vessel. February 18th, new vessel. February 3rd, new vessel. February 11th, new vessel. February 12th, new vessel. March 10th, new vessel. March 12th, new vessel. March 13th, new vessel. So they've been growing, and that's exactly what they said they were going to do heading into the new year, was grow their fleet, and they have done exactly that. So let's take a look at this article. Shout out to investorplace.com. They always provide very good information and, yes, insight and opinion on specific stocks. So they basically are talking about how CTRM, a lot of people use and bought this stock to flip for quick gains. And obviously they believe that is fine, but they think with some due diligence, you might find that Castor Maritime deserves a place in your long-term portfolio. And that's exactly my point of view as well. I definitely believe that CTRM long-term hold here because of the industry that they are in, and they're continuing to grow their fleet, which I only think will benefit them further. Also, many of the vessels that they do have carry extremely low emissions, and with the clean energy bills going around, clean energy in the United States with the Biden administration is very, very important. So I think Castor Maritime is in the right footing with that in mind. So if you take a look, CTRM stock currently trades around $1. This is noteworthy as $1 is a psychologically significant level for the bulls. Clearing that level with heavy trading volume and keeping it there should help the bulls move on to the $2 target price. So if we take a look at the chart here, we've been around 90 to $1 for a while now. As you can see here, back on February 17th, this was clearly past $1. It dipped down to around 91 cents on March 4th. but we haven't been down since there. So it's been about a month between 90 and $1, which I believe is very, very important here, as it's staying there pretty strong. And like this article says, it should help the bulls move on to a $2 target price. Now, $2 is a reasonable objective, as the CTRM stock bulls made a run for that target not too long ago. Specifically on February 11th, they managed to bid the share price up to $1.95. As we can see here, you guys, CTRM did go absolutely crazy on February 11th. $1.95 was the high. So it definitely has the potential to hit $2. Also, CTRM says people were talking about CTRM as a Reddit stock, just people trying to short squeeze the stock. And I don't really think that's the case. I think initially that was the case for the run up of CTRM, but I think the company's fiscal data, that this article says, are convincing investors that CTRM is a share that is not just a pump and dump and not just a Reddit stock. Okay, I think in 2021 the term Reddit stock is being extremely overused. I don't think that's the case at all with Castor Maritime. And Castor, right here, like this says, Castor generated $2.1 million during the 9 months ending on September 30th, 2020, and that signifies a 91% increase over the comparable period over the prior year. Okay, financials looking very good, and then fast growing fleet, like I talked about earlier in this video. Look at these, you guys. Several recent press releases illustrate the point that Castor's rapid growth mode a positive sign as the company strives to expand its industry presence. March 3rd, they acquired a Japanese-built Sarmax dry bulk vessel. March 10th, same thing. And then March 12th, another Japanese Sarmax vessel. So basically the takeaway from this article, they're saying that a deeper analysis should reveal that Castor Maritime is a shipper that's growing its fleet quickly while maintaining a solid capital position. And I couldn't agree more with this article and these people at Investor Place. I've said it for a long time. Look at any other video that I've made on Castor Maritime. I've always said long-term hold here, and I remain and still am extremely bullish on CTRM. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about CTRM. Let me know what price you guys got in it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Please drop a like on this video. And as always, you guys have a great day.